The following message is from the Clackamas County Sheriff's Office. Clackamas County has received reports of a nationwide outage impacting AT&T Wireless and FirstNet customers. It's reported that customers may have no reception and may be unable to make voice calls, including to 911. If you have an emergency and are unable to call from an AT&T or FirstNet cell phone, please try calling from a landline or cell phone with a different mobile carrier. If alternative options are unavailable, please report to your nearest police or fire department.